Sometimes when you have equations, you may have variables on only one side of the equation. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to solve multi-step equations with variables on only one side. We're going to go ahead and look at the steps that are best followed to solve this type of equations where you have variables on only one side, and then we're going to walk through some examples together. So we have three main steps. I call it distribute, isolate, solve. So we're going to distribute the number into the expression. We're going to isolate the variable on one side of the equation, and we're going to solve the resulting equation. So think of it, distribute, isolate, solve. So we have an example here. So remember we have distribute. So we're going to have, let me write the equation, 4x minus 1 equal to 6. So we're going to distribute simply means multiply every term in the parenthesis by the number on the outside of the parenthesis. So it's going to be 4 multiplied by x, which is 4x, 4 multiplied by negative 1, which is negative 4, equal to 6. Now we need to isolate, so we're going to get the number to the right hand side because we already have the variable on the left hand side. So let's go ahead and add 4 to both sides. And so we have 4x equal to 10. Now we can divide. Now we have to solve this. So we divide by 4. Divide by 4. So x is 10 over 4. And you can simplify this. So we divide. Actually, we're going to divide by 2. We're going to divide numerator and denominator by 2. So this is going to be 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So x is equal to 5 over 2. The next example, we're going to go ahead and distribute. Remember, distribute, isolate, solve. So we're going to write the equation first. It's just a habit I have. Equal to 9. So we're going to distribute. So 2 multiplied by 3x is 6x. 2 multiplied by negative 4 is negative 8, equal to 9. So now we're going to isolate. So we're going to move the 8 off of the left hand side. Plus 8 plus 8. 6x equal to 17. We divide both sides by 6. And so x is equal to 17 over 6. The next example, we have 3 multiplied by 2x minus 7 equal to 5. So I'm going to start by writing out the equation. 3, 2x minus 7 equal to 5. So we're going to distribute, isolate, solve. So let's start with distributing. 3 multiplied by 2x, we have 6x. 3 multiplied by negative 7, we have negative 21 equal to 5. So now we're going to isolate the x by taking the 21 off. And so we're going to add 21 to both sides. So we have 6x equal to 26. We can now divide by 6. Divide by 6. So x is equal to 26 divided by 6. Now let's go divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. So x is equal to 13 over 3. And finally, we have 5x minus 3 equal to 9. So we're going to I'm going to first write out the equation. 5x minus 3 equal to 9. So we need to distribute, isolate, solve. Distribute, so 2 multiplied by 5x is 10x. 2 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 6, which is equal to 9. So now we have to isolate, so we're going to add 6 to both sides to get rid of the number on this side. So 10x is equal to 15. Now we have to solve, so let's go ahead and divide by 10. So x is equal to 15 over 10. We divide by 5. divide by 5, which is equal to 3 over 2. So therefore, x is equal to 3 over 2. So just to recap, when you have a variable on only one side and you're trying to have you have a multi-step equation to solve, you're going to distribute. That's if you have parentheses on the one side. You're going to isolate. So that means that you're going to make sure that you have the variable on one side of the equation and then the number on the other side, and then you solve. Most likely, you're going to be doing a division at that point.